Okay, so hey, what's guys, this is me, your friend Tias, you're all watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk with you about two smartphones by Micromax. One is Micromax in 1B and the another is Micromax in Note 1. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with Micromax in 1B, you're gonna be getting is the display over here, which is a 6.5 inches IPS LCD mini drop display. But the OS you'll be getting over here, as per the company says, stock Android out of the box, and the company also recommends that it gonna be pushing updates for continuously for 2 years, which is a real good in budget segment devices. The performance you'll be getting is the MediaTek Helio G35 processor. If we talk about the GPU you'll be getting over here is the PowerVR 8320. Colors you will be getting is the 3 colors over here: blue, purple and green. Storage and RAM you'll be getting is the 2 plus 32 GB, and the second over here is the 4 plus 64 GB. The cameras on the red side you'll be getting is the dual camera setup, which is of 13 plus 2 megapixel. If you talk about 13 megapixel, you'll be getting is the wide camera, which is of f1.8, and the second camera, which is of 2 megapixel. It's a depth camera. If you talk about its aperture, you'll be getting is the f2.4. And if we talk about the video recording, you'll be getting is the 1080p at 30 frames per second. Cameras on the front side you'll be getting is the single camera setup, which is of 80 megapixel. And if we talk about it's a wide camera, and what video recording you'll be getting is the 1080p at 30 frames per second over here also. Battery you'll be getting is the 5000 mAh lithium polyethylene battery. Inside the box you'll be getting is the 10 watt power adapter. Next one is Micromax in Note 1. If you talk about the display, you'll be getting is the 6.7 inches IPS LCD display. The OS you'll be getting is the Android 10 out of the box, and as per the company you'll be getting is the stock Android over here also. With the performance you'll be getting is the MediaTek Helio G85. If you talk about its GPU, you'll be getting is the Mali G52. The colors you'll be getting is the 2 colors over here, which is green and white color. If you talk about its storage, you'll be getting is the 4 plus 64 and 4 plus 128 GB. The battery you'll be getting is the 5000 mAh lithium polyethylene battery. Inside the box you'll be getting is the 18 watt power adapter. You'll be getting is the 48 megapixel quad camera setup. If you talk about 48 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel. The both 2 megapixels are f1 2.4, and one of them is depth and the other of them is macro. If you talk about 5 megapixel, it's a ultra wide camera. If you talk about its aperture, you'll be getting is the f2.2, and the 48 megapixel camera, it's a wide camera. If you talk about its aperture, you'll be getting is the f1.8. The video recording you'll be getting is the 1080p at 30 frames per second on both the sides. Kept talking about rear and front both. Cameras on the front side you'll be getting is the 16 megapixel wide camera, and if you talk about its aperture you'll be getting is the f2.0. Talking about the pricing of Micromax in 1B, you'll be getting is 32 GB at 6,999, and the 64 GB you'll be getting as 7,999. Talking about the Micromax in Note 1, you'll be getting is the 10,999 for 64 GB and 12,499 for 128 GB. Talking about the Micromax come back. Yeah, this both the smartphones are good, and if you talk about the pricing, it's aggressive, competitive to the different companies such as Realme and Redmi. If we talk about the 128 GB variant, it's kind of priced higher as compared to me. I'm not eligible with that 128 GB. But if we talk about the pricing of 64 GBs on both the variants, I'm talking about Micromax in 1B and in Note 1, both are aggressive, competitive, and nice. And processors are also good at this price segment, and also they're providing Type C at this moment, which is kinda really good in this segment. Other companies are providing micro USBs and having some bloatwares and etc. But Micromax have confirmed that they're gonna be giving a stock Android completely over here. Hopefully you like this video. Make sure hit the share, subscribe to tech for more updates of tech. And by the way, this is me of India signing home. I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay with tech. Peace.